So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be self-employed in Ghana. I'm saying Ghana because that is where I'm based at and I know the system very well. But this video actually implies to anyone around the world, being it's Africa, Europe, Asia, North America, South America, and wherever you find yourself. So if you're cool and then you think you want to know more about how to become self-employed online, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it to anyone. Stick around so that you don't miss anything in this video. My name is Derek, and then welcome to Tidbits. So this video is actually targeting people who are unemployed at home and people who are working and still want to get a side hustle for themselves in Ghana. So maybe you might be working as an accountant, as an economist, as a shopkeeper, as a hairdresser, a barber. You still can get yourself employed somewhere else and it will actually fetch you some money by creating a YouTube channel, telling people about how maybe they can do their hair. If you are a hairdresser, like that is how you can teach people. Maybe do some videos and then teach them how to do some styles, and people will watch it and they will like it, and then YouTube will actually make you a partner and then you'll be able to gain money from whatever video you are doing. It works. If you're an accountant, you can teach people how to learn how to save money, how to do businesses and all, and people are going to like your video and YouTube will actually pay you out of whatever video you are creating. If you are a barber too, you can just do stuff. You can show people how to create some styles and their haircuts and all, and people are going to like it and YouTube is actually going to pay you from that. I have some proofs of people who you know and how YouTube is actually helping them and paying them. You might be home and then you might be thinking they are getting money out of somewhere, or maybe using some charms to get money or something. They are not doing anything like that. They are actually working very hard to get money, and then YouTube is actually helping them to, and then they are also entertaining people. The likes of Kwekumeno, Lil, and AY Poyo is one. This guy is really a testimony. You guys will just check him out. I'll actually show you proofs of how much he's being paid on YouTube, and then you would actually see you should just start something right now. You don't have to sit at home and then wait for money to come from somewhere. You know, our system is very hard now, and it's very hard for us to just even get work when you even apply for work with your CV. Maybe you might be having about second class upper, first class upper, second class lower, or whatever. You still wouldn't get work to do. And if you are a lady, even that one is very, very crazy. It's very hard. You have to just get yourself attached to maybe the manager or something before you be able to just get a work to do. A lot of girls out there are not working because of those kind of stuff, because they respect themselves, and I respect that too. So if you feel maybe you are not employed too, and then you have learned a lot of stuff from school, you can apply it here. You can teach people how to do a lot of it. Maybe you are a nurse. Don't wait for the government to come and employ you. You can teach people how to do stuff. Like there's a pandemic around, sorry about that though, but you can just teach people how to care for themselves, how to do a lot of stuff, how to do this. Take good care of yourself. I know some people who are out of schools, and because the system is very hard, they've created blogs to teach people how to do a lot of stuff. You can check out the nutricheck.com, and she's doing a lot of good work out there, and you guys will know those are the stuffs you'll be able to just do and then just get some income. I'm going to help you guys to create a YouTube channel. You guys will just check throughout my videos I've created on YouTube, and it will help you to create a YouTube channel for yourself, and then you'll be able to produce contents, and then you'll be able to just get money out of that. All you need to just get 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours is equivalent to 240,000 minutes, and it's very easy. If you get a video, about 1 minute video, even getting about 240,000 views, you're just getting monetized from there, and then getting 1,000 subscribers, you're just getting monetized from there. So don't be like, it's very hard for me, it's not gonna make me blow. You have a Twitter account, you have a Facebook account, and then you are having about 10,000 followers on Twitter, 15,000 followers on Twitter, 5,000 followers on Twitter, and then you say you can't make YouTube work for you. What are you doing? You're just on Twitter, just creating funny stuff and all. It wouldn't work, it wouldn't fetch you any money. So just sit up. Let's go to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to show you some proofs of people who are making tons of money out of whatever they do. So I'm going to go to my YouTube and I'll show you the earnings of some people you didn't even think they will be earning that much on YouTube. And I want that to be like a motivation to you so that you start doing something for yourself. Because if you want to sit at home without doing anything and you think money is going to come to you, you're lying to yourself. It's not going to come. So I just want to show you something. So don't skip this video. Just stick around so that you know whatever I'm going to do. Okay, so let me go to my YouTube, my browser. This is Kwekumeno, right? He has a program he's been holding on YouTube, Aggressive TV. And this program has been there for like, I think almost like a year and a half or something. And Kwekumeno is making tons of money out of this thing. Because for a while now, you guys know the Kumawood production is a bit down and the people are not going to make money out of it because, you know, there are stuffs going around, there are problems there, and you know it's going to be like they're not going to make any money out of there because there are no movies coming up anymore. And look at how much Kwekumeno is earning in like a month, $10,500 for just creating videos on YouTube, interviewing people on YouTube. That is it. That is what he does. That is what he does. Look at the captions of everything. That is what he does. Just interviewing people on YouTube, and he's getting paid this amount at the end of every month, 10,500 approximately, like estimatedly I should say 10,500. In a year he's getting about 114,500. Are you getting me? You have to do something for yourself. You have something within you nobody can do. Even if someone can do, you can do it better. Don't worry, don't think someone is doing it already so you wouldn't be able to do it. Let's go to another person. We're going to go to Lil Wayne, and then look at Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne actually has 2 channels. He just started this channel during the lockdown, and then look at how much he's getting out of this thing. $7,800. In a year he's going to be getting about $139,000. So you see these people in flashy cars and you'll be like, oh my god, they are using medicine and all stuff. Jeez, you are just hating on them. It's not medicine. They are working, they are doing stuff they really want to do, and they are getting money out of it. So you can do something too. I get in it. So someone might be saying these people already had the fame before getting into this, so it's not going to be possible for me to start anything. You can start something. Did you know of AY Puyo when he started doing his music thing? You guys never knew of AY Puyo. I didn't even know him. None of us knew AY Puyo apart from people he lived with in his vicinity, or probably maybe people he went to school with, or people he went to church with. Those are the people who knew him. But me and you around here didn't know AY Puyo from anywhere. He just came up, and I want to show you his channel and show you his earnings, and you're gonna be just shocked. You're gonna be marveled, because AY Puyo just came around let's say in like 6 months or 5 months ago, and you guys will be shocked. Okay, so this is AY Puyo's channel, right? And he's making about $15,900 in a month. I get in it. He's making about $15,900 in a month. Let me just show you how much he earned yesterday. So yesterday was okay. So today is Wednesday. Let's say yesterday he earned $146. Did you earn that money? He just produced music. Like, he's just messing up around. He's just doing something he want to do best, and he's making money out of it. What can you do? Why are you sitting at home? You can't do anything. You think you have to make people employ you. The work is not even coming. You know, you've put in your CVs around, and none of them are calling you. If you're a girl and they even call you, they want to have something to do with you before they give you the work. Are you gonna sit there and then be like, work is not coming, so I'm not gonna do anything? I just want to motivate you guys. Try to do something. It's very easy. YouTube doesn't, you don't have to pay anything to anyone to start a YouTube channel. You can just start a YouTube channel for yourself without doing anything, without paying anything. You just have to be serious with it. You have to be uploading consistently. You see, look at this guy. He uploaded 4 days ago, 1 week, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks. This means he uploaded twice in a week. 3 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 weeks, probably uploaded 3 times in a week. You see, so it's like he's working. 4 days ago he might be uploading a video today. So you see, it's consistency. That is what you have to do. That is how you will be able to blow up on YouTube. None of us knew AY Puyo. I didn't know AY Puyo from anywhere. Official AY Puyo. This is his channel. He had about 33,000 subscribers last week. Just last week. He has about how many subscribers now? 83,000. How many subscribers have he gained so far? So you can see how many subscribers he's gaining a day. 1,000, 9,000, 7,200, 2,500, 9,900, 300, 1,001. He had 1,001 subscribers yesterday. So you can see he's just growing. Consistency, that is it. Do what you feel you can do best. Do it. Devote your time. So I just want us to pick a random person, an ordinary person. You guys will say these people have gotten their names already. This is a random person. Look at her. Her name is Jasmine Ahmad, but this is her other channel, LusciousSkin&Hair. She's just uploading videos talking about hair, how to do your hair and all, and people are liking it. People are watching the video. Look at it. She's just a random person. People are just watching her videos. If she want to do hair or something, she just put the videos out here. She's trying to teach people how to care for their hair and all. That is the only thing she's been doing. And look at how much she's been paid. $1,600 in a month. And there's some good money, because if $1,000 is like 5,000 cedis, $600 is like, let me say, about 3,000. Yeah, she's getting about 8,000 Ghana cedis in a month just uploading videos. What are you sitting at home doing? You just have to do something for yourself. Seriously, like, we have to set up, because we've been trying to just get employed by the government, and things are not going well with our system, and we want to stay home and then be like nothing is going on. See, we are going to be home and then go on retirement without even working. Seriously. So I want you guys to just put something in yourself. You guys have something within you can do. You can show us.
So like I said initially, if you want to create a YouTube channel after you've watched this and then you feel like, yeah, it's good, it's gonna work for you. If you are working already, you can create a YouTube channel as a side hustle. Don't worry, be uploading videos twice or once in a week, and then it's cool. You're gonna make it from there. But if you're not working, it should be a must. Upload twice or 3 times in a week, and it will actually take you somewhere. So I have a lot of videos on how you can create a YouTube channel, how you be able to optimize the videos, and then you gain tons of views, gain subscribers, and yeah, it's very cool. It works. So if you find any difficulties too, you can leave a comment in the video you're actually watching, and then I'll assist you in whatever you feel like you want to know. But if you want to link up and maybe know a lot of stuff from whatever video you watch, just hit me up on Instagram at Stytchz, STYTCHZ. I'll assist you on whatever thing you want to know. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then share to anyone you think this is gonna be helpful for them. And then catch you in the next one.